This is the Sylveon plush. Comes in this little bag. This is the 7-inch plush. As you can see, compared to my hand, it's still a pretty decent size plush. Let's go ahead and take it out of this and look at it closer. This is the plush itself. For 7 inches, it's actually pretty good size little stuffed animal. And quality-wise, I mean, the embroidery is pretty nice. It's a pretty decent little Pokemon here. All right, well, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.